Hi. So, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial video of Boyz II Men's Please Don't Go. I've been asked to do tutorial videos before, but I suppose this one is a little bit easier because I'll be doing the tutorial in English. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a try and do this one. Okay, so anyway, so just a little disclaimer. I'm not a guitarist, neither am I a musician or a singer of any sort or any sort of musician or whatever. None of those. I can carry a tune, I can play a simple song on a guitar, and that's about it. I do this for fun, it's a hobby, and I play by ear. So most of the time you hear me play my stuff on videos or whatever, yeah, that's just for fun. Some of it may suck, I'm sorry, but yeah, I do it for fun. Anyway, okay, so today's tutorial is Boyz II Men's Please Don't Go, requested by Tony. Hi, Tony. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so okay, tuning is standard tuning, and yeah, capo on 2nd fret. Chords are E, C major 7, and D major 7. Now, I don't play the E like the usual E. This is E, this is E, right? I don't play E like this. I play E like this. I have no idea what E that is. I'm pretty sure there's a proper name for it. Maybe someone can tell me. I don't know. Please, if you know what it is, please comment below. Okay, so I'm gonna play the intro. I will play it twice. I have no idea how to tab it, so I hope you can follow along. Okay, so intro. Okay, so that's the normal way. Let me play it slower. Okay, so slower. Okay, so that's the intro. So usually it would sound ah. Okay, as you can see, I'm not a musician, right? Okay, so okay, so the verse goes slowly my eyes began to see that I need you here right next to me at all times. My feelings so deep for you that I won't let go, oh no, of you. Okay, so now the bridge portion. Okay. I can't let this love slip away. I can't turn it around. Can't you see? Only then. Please don't go. Okay, now the chorus portion. Away from me, away from me. I'll be there for you when you call my name. I'll reach out my hand to you and I welcome you to my heart. Please don't go away away from me. Okay, we can work it out, whatever it may be, girl. Please don't go. No, 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 no. Please don't go. Oh. I have no idea if that will help you in any way, but I hope so. Cross fingers. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below. I'm open to suggestions. Okay, don't be mean. Do not be mean. I accept constructive feedback, but yeah, so if you like this, if you want to share it, subscribe. Bye.